Happy Friday! Yay! So, yes, it's Friday. I'm getting dog fed. Then I gotta pee. You ready? Okay, sit. Stay, sit, stay. Stay, sit. Okay. She looks at me, she's like, please. That's how I picture her sounding in my head. When the dog waits for food, she's going, please, I'm starving. But obviously, she's not starving because she's overweight. But speaking of overweight, or weight, I'll be right back. So speaking of weight, the dog actually fits in one of her shirts that I had bought her when we first got her. And see, it's a dog shirt. It says Sloppy Kisser on it. She likes to wear clothes. Normally I don't dress the dogs because, well, they're dogs, they don't need clothes. But this one, she likes to wear clothes. Also, yesterday at the gym, my friend, my gym buddy, she told me about her diet. Where is it? She has a shake, protein shake in the morning, like a salad for lunch, and some kind of protein or whatever for dinner. So, and she says she's lost weight from that. So I'm gonna give it a whirl. I gotta get the protein powder. So, blender bottle of what Russ had lying around. I had my own protein powder, but it has like a weird texture to it. Like they changed the formula and stuff I used to buy. So I'm trying Russ's that he's had in our hutch for years. This flavor is creamy vanilla, which makes me leery. I don't have any milk, so I had to use water, which is one of the things that you can mix it with, but I bet it would be better with milk. So I'm gonna try it out. Let me try it and see. Let's see how it tastes. Not bad, not bad. It still has a texture, but not like a weird flavor at least. So I'm okay with that. I'm gonna drink this. I gotta go back upstairs. I'm gonna turn the light out. Ready? And darkness. Darkness like my soul. Now I go upstairs. Because the kitty is begging me now because her food dish is empty. Right, kitty? Meow. I hear ya, I hear ya. Okay, okay. Ouch. Oh no. Uh-oh, kitty. We're out of food. Oh, stairs, I tell ya. So, well, we're out of food. I'm gonna have to pick some up. Don't worry, you won't starve. Pause. Princess will not be satisfied. She's like, what is this? My dish is not full. I picked up the food that was like, she's strewn about in her bucket. And, yes, kitty, I'm sorry, but I don't have any food. I forgot to get some. I'll pick some up later. You will not starve, don't worry. Yes, meow. Oh, yeah. This is her shirt. She actually fits it. It's too long, but it's not too wide. It actually fits good. A little bit snug in the chest area, but not too bad. Not too bad at all. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I better clean her thing. Hold on. Okay, cat box is cleaned. There was no poop in there, and I hadn't cleaned it for like a few days, so that tells me that Miss JJ is still eating the cat poop. So, on that note, I'm going back to bed. Going upstairs. Let's see, I know that the kitty should be there. Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Kitty, I got food. Stop. Hi, kitty. I got food for you. Kitty, yeah, look. She ate all but a few pieces. Kitty, I got food for the kitty. She does not care. She does not care one iota. I bet you'll care once you hear it go in your dish. No, JJ. This is not yours food. It's kitty food. You care now? You care now that you got food in there? Huh? Am I in the way? Look, I got you treats even. Some Temptations. My old kitty, before she died, she really loved these treats. We call them kitty crack. Let's see if she does the same thing. I gotta pause for a sec. See, she went in there. She's got her food. She's purring like a crazy. Look at kitty. Oh, that was good. You ate you just swallowed it whole. Now she's like, oh, that was good. Let me eat my regular food. Didn't even bother chewing it. It's got a soft center and everything. Alright, you go ahead and enjoy your food. Yep, you go ahead and do that. Right, kitty? That was really good thing I gave you. What? I'm leaving, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna leave. She's purring up a storm. You can't really hear her. Yes, kitty. What's with your eye? Look at her eye. Meow. We want another crack. You got more food. You want another piece of crack? It's right here. Come here. No, JJ. It's kitty crack. You got kitty crack. Yeah, meow. Can't open it with one hand. There we go. Smell. Oh. Is that what you want? Give you a kitty crack. Kitty crack. That's my finger. The kitty crack is right there. That's my finger. There. That's it. I gave you the treat. If you want more, you're going to have to be more sociable. I'm going back downstairs. So Russ has a boo-boo on his knee. And so I'm going to take some peroxide. So we got this from the dollar store. Look how big that is. Take some peroxide, Q-tips, whatever, and just be a mom to my husband. Because he's a little baby sometimes. You may even give him a little Band-Aid. I don't know. Okay, we'll see. Hi. It's Friday. I think my sound is off on my phone. Give me a second here. It was. I fixed it. I got Airheads at the Family Dollar. They are the rainbow berry. Come out. Come out. They're like these. They look like these. I like these types of things. I'm gonna eat them. It's my treat for myself. I got a treat. I got a treat for me. Yes, I am not being very well behaved in the whole food department. I had a nice protein shake for breakfast. I did have a salad for lunch, and now I'm gonna eat Airheads. We honestly don't have any. Well, we probably do. We have a pretty full freezer. I just haven't looked. I haven't looked at what we have to eat. Going up, going up. I don't want to look. I don't feel like cooking. Actually, what are these? Oh, strawberries. I was kind of hoping there were meatballs. I'm not sure why, but I really want some meatballs. I can make no meatballs. Anyway, that's it for now. It's a little late in the evening, but that's okay. Making some supper. I've got in here salmon. So I like paprika and some other stuff, and then the veggies. Salmon. I'm not a fish person. I don't really like fish, but I'm learning to like it. And that's because, you know, you gotta season it up right. I'm gonna show you this here. This here is, you can't find this in the stores. Garden of Eden, Kingdom Living. Anyway, it's all out. I gotta buy some more, but this is really good. But you can get online. I don't remember the website. Oh, it's right here. Garden of Eden, KingdomLiving.com. But this, I gotta order some more of this stuff, and because it's so good, I gotta get some more. Yeah. So you season up fish properly. Doesn't taste like fish. It tastes like good seasoning of meat. Just meat in general. Right, Gigi? What do you think about that? I don't have any food. She's always looking for something. Aren't ya? Aren't ya? I said, aren't ya? You have no idea. Okay, so I'll wait for that to cook up some. And then Russ and I are going to eat some good proteins and veggies and yum food. See that? Doing that because the steam. So when it starts to do that with your lid, take it off. Ooh, that looks good. The veggies would be done by now. So you want to do, where did I put that thing? Get your tongs. I don't have good tongs. I just have these ones. So at some point I will get some good tongs. Anywho, get up underneath there. I can't do this one-handed, so just a sec. See, then you flip it over, and there's no seasoning on this side. So what I'm gonna do is just put some seasoning on that side. I got some minced onion. There. And I got some garlic salt with coarse garlic salt, coarse ground, here, you read it. Coarse ground with parsley. So yeah, that's goes on there too. Yep. And, oh, excuse me, also some steak seasoning. Yep, steak seasoning. what I put there. And a little sprinkling of some paprika. That's what makes it red. So, yeah. Do that. I'm gonna poke it around with the wood spoon. And just kind of do that. It's going to be really yummy. Very flavorful and all that goodness with the veggies. Get the veggies in there. Good stuff, good stuff. So, just let that sit. It's only been like 5 minutes. Not even. Just let that sit for a little while. Yeah, the lid is not for that, it's just there. So let that sit for a while and then we're gonna eat. And you see there is the finished product. It looks very tasty. Yes, and it smells wonderful. Yes, it does. You don't get any, JJ. None for you, all for us. I got my Doctor Who fork there. And Russ gets a red one because, well, that's what we have. So there we go. I have a big bowl of ice cream. I really like ice cream. There's only chocolate and caramel syrup, and I'm also watching Ellen because I just need to catch up on Ellen. I'm a little bit behind. Yeah, and then after I watch Ellen, I'm gonna catch up on American Horror Story. I think I'm like just a week behind, maybe. Anyways, I'm gonna do that right now. Thought I just saw. She was standing just there. Now she's like, oh, I'm gonna sit in my square. Meow. Okay. I'm going to bed. It is very dark right now. Let me get to the bedroom. Yep, going to bed. I'm watching American Horror Story in bed. And so, good night.